Good morning, everyone. Here is a day in my life starting at 5 o'clock in the morning. Even though it is summer, I am now trying to get back into my normal early morning routines. Hi everybody, so it's 11 o'clock at night. I never sleep this late, but for some reason I had trouble sleeping, and so I just ended up doing a bunch of work until now, and I plan to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. We'll see how this goes. Sometimes I like to braid my hair the night before just so that the next morning I don't have bedhead. This is basically an inverse French braid, which I learned how to do by myself. Okay, good night. Good morning. She's like, it's too early. What are we doing? First thing I always do every morning is brush my teeth, and today I have company. Then I just wash my face and get ready for the day. Billy, you're going back to sleep? That's not how it works. Okay, I'll see you later. I gotta quickly change into my clothes. So I just unraveled my braid, and this is generally how I curl my hair because I rarely use heating products or heating tools, partly because it takes too long and partly because I know it's not the best for my hair. Okay, drink some water. Pack up my towel, and I always use a backpack for everything. Okay, I'm going to have some of my favorite coconut water. And this is also leftover from yesterday. Oh look, another glass of water that I just leave around. I'm totally feeling the fact that I did not get 8 hours of sleep. But at least I am awake. And I don't even have time to do my quiet time, so I'm gonna have to do it when I come back because I am going to a 6 a.m. workout, which means I need to leave ASAP. This is going to be my morning jolt of caffeine because it has green tea in it. It's like a coconut matcha latte. And you guys, if you haven't had this coconut water, it's the best tasting coconut water in the world. And coconut water is just very hydrating. And this is not sponsored. I just genuinely love it so much, and I want everyone to try it. The sun is slowly starting to come out somewhere far, far away. This is now one of my new favorite songs. Yay, no traffic. Okay. Okay. Wow. People are out and about. The streets are so quiet. Okay, that was a really intense workout, and there were parts where I was like, what was I thinking? I should be in bed. I'm so tired, but now I feel great, and I feel like that's how I always feel after a workout. It's initially, you don't want to get up early, and as many times as I've done this, it's still hard, but it's worth it because now I'm done with my workout, and now I get to just take my time to go home and do everything I need to do. Okay, let's go home. I love when I've perfected the high bun. Yes! Okay, got to shower now. Hey Billy, you're awake now. Earlier, you were way too tired. Okay, you go in there. I honestly don't remember how many times I've worn those socks. You go in there too. I almost changed back into my PJs, but that is not what we're doing. Release the bun. Okay, so all night yesterday, I was wondering why Billy kept looking out the window, and now I know why. Billy, you see that right here? Is a giant spider and its web. Okay, now I guess it'll entertain you for a while. Okay, so I am pretty darn hungry, so I'm going to make some breakfast and then make a smoothie like I always do. I think it's so crazy to me that I've been awake for over 2 hours now. Usually, like this is the time my day usually starts, but I've already started. Okay, I'm going to grab some eggs. I also need a blender. First, I grab a pan that I'm going to cook my eggs in. So I crack 2 organic brown eggs and just kind of whisk them together. Then instead of making an omelet, I decided to fold my eggs. This was an accident, but I liked it. Yummy! Okay, I'm gonna put these away. So I drizzled on some almond butter onto my cracker, and then I'm just gonna, put some salsa verde and everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Yum. Okay, time for my smoothie. For my smoothie, I'm going to be making a power smoothie. The power smoothie contains a lot of different stuff. It's gonna be delicious. For my power smoothie, I like to add about 12 ounces of almond milk, half a frozen banana, 5 frozen strawberries, about a scoop and a half of chocolate vegan protein powder. Then I add a handful of hemp hearts and maca, which just kind of helps make the smoothie thicker, and some almond butter. Yum! So I'm sure you guys don't know this about me, or maybe you do from my Instagram, but I used to work at a smoothie store in college, and so I made smoothies all summer long. That's why I make smoothies all the time. But something I learned is that you don't want to let the blender run for too long. I would say no longer than about 7 seconds. You want to stop it, kind of shake it up, and then you want to pulse, or you want to keep it on low. Because when you blend it way too fast and too long, it just becomes a very liquidy smoothie. And of course we want a nice thick one. Okay, I'm so tired. It's like I've never done this before. I feel like I'm always at a workout or in the kitchen, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch real quick, and then I shall end the video. I buy these pre-peeled garlic, that's what it is. Peeled garlic from Asian markets, and it's so convenient because trying to unwrap everything by myself just takes way too long. I know. Chili oil. I got that from a restaurant. I asked for extra because I knew I ran out of chili oil. I need some brown rice. And then
So you can really use any veggies that you have on hand, but I definitely recommend having green onions because this is an Asian-inspired dish. So after my ground chicken starts browning, I then add all of the snap peas and cook them together, and then I add some soy sauce, I add some vinegar, I add some chili bean paste, and then I add a dash of chili oil, and then last but not least, I will add a little bit of sesame oil to it and stir fry it up. Then I put it on top of some brown rice, and you can also pair it with an egg, and I save the rest as meal prep.
Thank you all for waking up with me super early, or if you're not waking up early, that's okay. I will be posting some videos about how to wake up earlier and just being motivated and all of that very soon. Thanks for spending your day with me. So the rest of the day, I'm going to watch some TV. I'm going to finish editing my videos, and then I'm going to meet up with some friends later. And so having a packed schedule means I will not be tempted to take a nap. Okay, bye.